My name is Hugh Whalen, and we're here in Flowers Cove, which is on Grand Lake, which is part of the St. John River and Lake system in New Brunswick. Last year, we had 2 feet of water in our basement, or 60 centimeters of water. After the waters went down, my wife and I talked about it, and what I decided to do is that I thought to myself, can I do this such that I will not have more than $1,000 worth of damage should this happen again. And actually, when it did happen again, I had $146 worth of damage instead of the $40,000 I had. So I actually exceeded my goal. There are 2 strategies that we tried to follow. One is, what can we prevent from getting wet? And the second thing was, it's just inevitable because the water is going to come so high. What can we do to mitigate the damage of something getting wet? We had our old heat pump right here, but it got flooded and destroyed. The new one is up here, much higher than the 2 feet of water we had here. We had a hot water tank right here, and that got destroyed, okay? But this is very high. It also can be taken off the wall in about 15 minutes. All the walls are popped on with very small, tiny little brad nails, okay? And so they can just be popped off. If I pushed on this right here, it would just pop right off. You could pop them all off in less than half an hour. All this wooden floor here was carpet, okay? And we put down a wooden floor, and the wooden floor could be damaged, but what happens is we could take that wooden floor up in an hour. It's really hard to give advice to people because everybody is so different. Everybody has a different financial situation, right? But if you have to do something, like for example, if you're building a particular space, or you're tearing out a wall in a particular space, well, you want to consider like what could happen if should I put in the fiberglass pink insulation, which can be destroyed, or should I do some other installation which won't be destroyed? All you have to do is think about it.